We are here in Silay City for the 5th leg of our OFW Family Day Caravan of Home Credit Philippines in partnership with OWA. Nanggaling na po kami sa Patnongon Antique, sa Hamindan Capiz, sa Hordan Guimaras, sa Iloilo City, and dito sa Silay for the province of Negros Occidental.
We are celebrating the OFW Family Day. This is a simple gathering to show our appreciation and love to our OFWs and their families in the region.
Every year po ito binibigay sa amin na kung saan po ang lahat namin na na-organize na federation magsama-sama po at marinig kung ano po ang mga mensahe ng aming mga guest speaker tungkol po sa mga benepisyo ng mga OFW.
We are currently here right now because we want to share with our OFW and their families the program of Home Credit. We are here to share to them the importance of financial literacy. Of course, it is important that whatever income that we are generating right now is handled properly.
Like Home Credit, napaka-importante po sa amin para po mag-guidean po kami kung paano po namin gawin ang mga financial problem po namin at of course, mabigyan po kami ng sagot sa mga pangangailangan naming financial at mabigyan po kami ng magandang guidance kung paano po gawin namin, especially po sa mga pangangailangan ng family of an OFW.
Definitely, partnership with the private sector is very important as it is part of our good governance. The government cannot do it all and we need the support and help and partnership of the private sector and of course the community whom we are also assisting.
Kami po ay sobrang overwhelmed at nagpapasalamat kasi sa bawat province po na puntahan namin, kitang-kita po namin ang saya at lakas na energy po ng ating mga OFWs.
So through our business, what we want to do is empower Filipinos to live the life that they want now.
Our partnership with Home Credit is indispensable as OWA is also one with Home Credit in campaigning for awareness and knowledge on financial literacy and education.
Maraming salamat po sa ating mga OFWs and OFW associations. Makakaasa po kayo na ang Home Credit ay katuwang ninyo para sa life.